Hi guys, rubber band powered time, 3D printing time. You probably know that I like rubber band powered cars, so having got a new 3D printer, I had a look through what was available already and came up with this design here that I rather like the look of, because it uses gears to drive the car forwards. Done by John Goodwin back in October 2015. I'll put links in the video description, but if you want to jump ahead, it's on Thingiverse and it's 1077994 if you want to look it up. I'll follow his instructions as far as I can, but I've had a couple of ideas while I've been looking at this, and I printed off a few extra bits that I'll show you later. So at the moment, this is exactly how you can print it off all in one go, and you need a bit of 6mm dowel, or 1/4 inch to be exact, 6 point something millimeters. I'll probably make 3 videos out of this. I'll put the main build on my rubber band channel. It's called Put a Rubber Band on It. I'll probably do a boring time-lapse video of these being printed, because I like that. I like watching paint dry and watching these things being printed. And I'll do a short one on my main channel, Grandad is an Old Man, just to alert people that I've done it, because not many people watch my rubber band power channel. More people watch the Grandad is an Old Man one. Right, if we wind it up backwards, then it should go forwards when we release it, shouldn't it? Might need a stronger rubber band. Test run time. We've got a bit of a left turn. We'll give it another run. I've twisted that dowel round a bit to try and make it point the other way if it is twisted. And I'll set it off at a bit of a right hand turn anyway. Yeah, still got a left turn on it. I'm going to have to do something about that. It could be that I haven't aligned the bottom section there properly, which is a problem because I've now glued that in place. So we might have to just live with it doing a left turn, because we're only doing this as a demonstration of the build. And that will be something worth learning, won't it? Make sure you've got it straight before you glue it. That works. As a bonus, we'll have a look, see whether these CD hubs that I've made will do the job. Gonna have to put a bit of glue on them or something, because they're not supposed to spin on there, they're supposed to grip. Maybe a bit of double-sided sticky tape. Right, I've got some thin double-sided sticky tape here, so we'll see if we can use that just to put an edge around there to give it a bit of grip. So you could glue it, but I don't want to glue it at the moment. So we just want some Little bits on there. Oh, stuck to my finger. That's not quite what I had in mind. Alright, let's try that. Thin slices. Glue would be better. I'll just try it like this for now. This is that annoying stuff that you have trouble getting the white backing off. You might say, why don't I just use glue? Well, I actually want to use these CDs on something else afterwards. So, oh yes, that's much better. So that was some thin strips. And then trim it. Oh, that came off on me. That might work. Ignore me chatting to myself while I'm doing it. I hate this stuff. Absolutely hate it. Goes everywhere you don't want it to go. Okay, a little bit of sticky. Okay, so that's in place. Sorry, John, I've put stuff over your name. Not intentional. So can we get these other wheels off without misaligning everything? Still power on there. Okay. Be handy if we use the CDs. looks okay. So we'll give it a run. So, CDs for wheels. I would say that was going faster, wouldn't you? Well, I'm rather pleased with that. So yeah, it works with the cardboard wheels, and I do like this way of holding them in place. But my little modification so I could use CDs worked absolutely fine. I'll put the thingiverse, or what's the other one, Tinkercad, link in for my little modification there in the video description. So that's it, job done.